Press play. All right, hey, that was a terrible start. Larry's gonna leave this in here anyways. We are working on the Ranger, the Danger Ranger 9000. Gotta get back together. We got Christmas parade coming up this weekend, which you guys will see. So we're gonna do some work on this, put it back together. We'll gotta show you guys all that. But before we do so, I want to say thank you for everybody that's gone over to the channel, liked, subscribed, and comment. We appreciate everything and everything that everybody said and has done. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you for coming over. Hope you guys appreciated the Christmas tree burnout. That was probably like the second most fun one we've done. Unscripted, just hanging out with friends and family, knocking trees over in the woods and doing burnouts on our own road with no issues, no cops, no drama, no rules, just fun time doing burnouts. And we unfortunately only popped one tire, but whatever.
And before we get right into it, we still do have some t-shirts for sale. So if any of you guys out there are interested in grabbing a FBK Racing t-shirt, there'll be a link down in the description. You can contact us at FBK Racing Facebook page or our Instagram, and I'll put the links down in the description.
Or you guys can comment on the video. If you comment on the YouTube video, we'll read it, we'll see it, then we can private message you from there and get your address and stuff. And we're working on a website still. These guys got to be patient with us. So right now we're just doing everything by hands on right now, shipping it out ourselves until we get a website and a shipping company. Then we'll move up from there.
Let's get this thing back in working order here.
We have a new header panel for it. Haven't even opened that unit up yet. Oh, we can. Brandy new.
What's the odds that's gonna fit? Let's see.
Let's just.
What's the odds?
Zip ties.
That's the odds that's gonna be anywhere even close.
Is it upside down? Hold on, Larry, it's upside down.
Look at that. Pretty close.
It's like a glove. This thing is plastic. Malleable. Does that work? Malleable? It is now. So the header panel's there. Then we got a new grill piece, which will go approximately there.
Then we'll have a complete Ranger. So next time you see, we'll be back together.
All right, surprisingly, the header panel fits pretty decent on this side, even though this fender is totally smashed. This one's not as smashed. A little crinkle right there, but it doesn't fit very good. Might have something to do with that right there. Let's see if we can get that out a little bit. Pulling the hood. Pulling the hood latch off because we're gonna put hood pins in this because our hood is a little bit bent. That's where I hit Derek. Did you get that? I hit Derek.
So
Looks like a Ranger again.
We've everything kind of fit pretty good.
We got it all mapped out here.
Except for that.
We got a new one of those coming.
We got a new one on order. We can put some hood pins in it because
Obviously any race car has hood pins.
So we're all set there. We're ready. Just a few more final touches for our Christmas parade in town here that we're gonna put it in. But we're all ready if Cletus decides to have another Ranger race and he invites us again. But we do have a new Nitto on order. Can't have a stalker on there.
Yeah, no.
We
Check the hole in that thing.
We gotta make them look all.
Yeah, it's not good there.
So we're all set there. And I think we're gonna go call our guys over at Race Clip. We're gonna put a racing seat in here.
As comfortable as that seat was, it wasn't very practical. I kind of slid around a lot in there. There's no side supports at all. If you look inside there.
Well, I think people know what a stock one looks like. There. All stock. But we'll talk to our guys over at Race Clip. See if they'll send us a new seat. So we'll I think we're gonna end it up for tonight here. And
next video you guys see, we should be put Christmas lights on it?
Yeah, I'll probably put some kind of lights or put something to make it a little Christmassy. You're also putting the Impala in too, right? We're taking that? Or?
Yes, the Impala will be in the Christmas parade as well. We're gonna hope to be doing some ice racing with this winter up on one of the local lakes by us and see if we can find some sanctioned stuff other than us just goofing around and plowing through snowbanks with it. So we'll order some suds of snows for this, maybe some racing snows. That's about it.
We'll have to look around, see what's out there, and if this can fit into any kind of class that they may have. And just go have some fun. Do a little ice racing, circle track racing, and that's about it.
That's about all I got today. Nothing crazy going on.
So
remember, go over and hit that button. Here, I'm gonna make Larry try to do it. Here, right there. Hit it right there. Subscribe. Go over to FBK Racing. Right there. If you guys don't know, we are on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Again, I know we said it earlier in the video, but you can go over to either one, our Instagram page, our Facebook page, comment on our YouTube video. We will have t-shirts for sale, so private message us or comment. We'll get a hold of you and send some t-shirts out.
And we'll do our best to try to get them out to you before Christmas time. Can't guarantee shipping, but we'll do what we can for you. So out for now.
Oh, I'm recording. I've been recording this whole time. I'm an idiot.
You know what?
Welcome to FBK Racing. I'm an idiot. All right, we are staging for the Christmas parade or holiday parade for people who don't celebrate Christmas. Larry's getting some GoPros ready. He probably needs the light. It's helping him.
No, it's actually making it worse.
All right, we need a vote on if everybody thinks that Larry should quit smoking.
Shut up.
So yeah, we're sitting here. It's freezing cold. There's Mom and Larry.
As you can see, there's quite the crowd here. We haven't even really gotten into the main group yet. It's a pretty big parade. All the way, I don't know if you can even see all the way up there. And there's more all the way back.
Am I close enough?
Yeah.
Can you see me here?
Ooh.
All right, we are back at the shop. Went out there, had a little fun, did a couple little burnouts for the fans because people were cheering for me to do burnouts because they think that I do burnouts. I don't know why they think that, but anyways, something different for you guys than the normal burnouts and racing and stuff like that. So figure you guys enjoy seeing Ballston Spa, my native town.